My name is Dr. Cindy Chang. I'm clinical professor of primary care sports medicine at UCSF. Today we started off by what are some of the catastrophic injuries and illnesses that can occur in young people and older people, and what we can do as a community, we can do as individuals and as a community and as a school to help prevent some of these catastrophic illnesses and injuries. And so we talked about number one reasons why people in a school system, athletes, could die, and we talked about sudden cardiac arrest. We talked about traumatic brain injuries, and we included a little bit about concussions, and we included as well about heat stroke. And we really discussed these in the construct of what can we do. So if someone collapses, we don't really know sometimes what the cause of their collapse could be, because none of these kids yet are the physicians or the healthcare providers that they're going to be in the future. But what can they do at this level right now? And the most important thing is to know the chain of survival. They need to know the most important thing to do is to call 911. We have high school kids from other countries that have different 3-digit numbers. And it was really great for, I think, all the students to hear, yeah, different countries have different emergency numbers. And if they travel, which I hope all of them have the opportunity to do if they haven't already, that they start to think about, in an emergency, what is the number that I need to call? As well as looking for AEDs or automated external defibrillators, thinking about call 911, call for help, call to go get an AED, and be comfortable with starting CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, but having them also get familiar with what an AED is. A lot of them have seen in airports, but they've never really touched them. They've never really put the pads on a mannequin. And so we have these AED trainers that we've utilized to help the students practice these scenarios of how to go get it and how to put it on. And in fact, one of the demos was great because one of the AED trainers that we had wasn't working correctly. And it really was a great lesson to say, wait a second, this is why we want to use the Anyone Can Save the Life module that's online, anyonecansavethelife.org, which teaches people that when you are having an emergency, if you will rehearse the emergency action plan ahead of time, you're totally going to be prepared if something does happen. Hopefully it won't, but if it does, people will be ready and trained and confident in terms of what they can do.